gotta be honest, I got kind of like used to the ZX-10R already, because that was like I've taken out the past like 3 times I've went riding, I think. So I got kind of used to it, and now this bike feels like tiny to me, like in terms of physical size. It kind of felt like getting back on a 300. Like, it was kind of confusing, because obviously the 10's a bit bigger and bulkier, heavier and stuff, so this felt really weird to come back down to. It is a Saturday. It's a very nice day out. It's 80 degrees, which is why I have short sleeves on, because I'm dumb and it's hot. So my plan is, since it's a really nice day and it's a weekend, I'm gonna head to the highway and try to find some nice cars, hopefully. Also, I apologize if I'm breathing heavy at all throughout the video. I'm pretty sick. I'm not sure why, but like, I even accidentally fell asleep on the couch. What the Well, I'm gonna zoom in on that. Probably don't have to, but if you saw the car coming the other way in our lane, just going head on into traffic, that's fun. But like I was saying, I accidentally fell asleep on the couch an hour ago. Took a little nap, which I do not believe in naps. I don't think they're a good idea. So that's very unlike me. But my body was super tired. But I want to stock up as many videos as I can before I don't have a lot of time to go riding. So I figured I'd head out today, hopefully see some cool things other than people driving directly towards us. And I don't know, hopefully have a fun ride. Looks like we got a little live band going over here soon. They're probably setting up for tomorrow, actually, I would assume. I saw that SUV, I think it was a Tahoe, it was something like that, coming directly towards us, but I thought they were far enough over like the shoulder area that the truck would just, you know, go around them. But he, for some reason, just came to a dead stop, which I was not expecting. So I had to slam on my brakes. I feel like my GoPro might be angled down a little too far. There we go. Oh. Well, I'll probably see you in about 10-15 minutes from now. Next time I talk. I actually just remembered, if they're having that car show today, I left at the perfect time to go to it, so I'll have to check for that. I wasn't even thinking about that, but if they're having it, I might just ride through it. I guess I'm getting the slow lane now, just in case. So if it is happening, I don't have to cut over. It indeed is, but there's very few cars there. So I'll come back later, because I think they're like just setting up. Yeah, and there's not many cars at all. So if I remember, massive if I remember long enough, I will swing through on my way back. That does kind of change my plans for the ride, but hopefully we get to see some cool stuff there. I guess it's only going to take me, like, from the time I turn around to the time I get back to the car meet, it's only going to be like a half hour at most, really. Unless I kind of hang out in the parking lot up there for a little bit to give them more time. I don't know. I don't want to head back and then there's still only be a couple people there. So then it's disappointing. It's like I want to give them more time to get there. Sweet, it paid off. Everyone kept getting in this lane to go around that truck, and I was hoping they would take this turn. So I stayed, and they did. I'm playing chess. Even though I gotta get into that lane up here anyways. So I guess it didn't really matter. I'm gonna do something different. Okay, you have like 19 feet of room to move up. Brother, what's up? Yeah, instead of stopping at the old Bushy Beaver, I'm gonna go up the hill to Walmart. I'm gonna see if I can find a nice little shaded parking spot for myself. I'm trying to kill some time up there. I don't really want to do it because I'm gonna like drain my phone battery some, and I don't like having a low phone battery if I'm out of the house because you never know. But I'm gonna kill some time up there. That way the car meet can fill up a little bit. I wish I would have thought of that before I left the house, but I completely forgot that it's Saturday and those are a thing. Does this count? Yeah, but I'm going to that one. I want that one. POV me at any party. Just kidding, I don't go to parties. But anytime I have to go something social, I'll just go sit in the back against the wall. Nice. It's hot. But yeah, I'm gonna hang out here for a little bit. And then I'll head back to the car meet and hope that enough people have pulled in by then. Hopefully nobody comes to talk to me while I sit here. I highly doubt it. That doesn't happen, so it should be fine. But yeah, that's the plan. Sorry I didn't really talk much on the way down here. Nothing really happened, unfortunately. But hopefully the ride back home is more exciting. And hopefully we get a nice little car meet in too. So I'll see you on the way back home. Later.